Hey everyone. If your Photopea file is not opening, stuck on loading, or just won't import, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Photopea file not opening, so you can get your project back quickly. First, refresh the page and try opening the file again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, and a simple reload fixes the issue instantly. Next, check your file format. Photopea supports formats like PSD, PNG, JPG, and similar types, so unsupported files may not open correctly. Try re-uploading the file or drag and drop it again. Sometimes the first upload fails due to network or browser issues, so trying again often works. Make sure your file isn't too large, very heavy. PSD files with lots of layers or effects can sometimes fail to load or take a long time to open. If it still doesn't open, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can block file loading and cause errors. Try opening Photopea in a different browser or device. This helps you understand whether the issue is with your browser or the file itself. And finally, restart your browser or computer. This resets temporary system issues and often fixes file opening problems quickly. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Photopea file not opening. Follow each step carefully, and your project should load without any issues. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for fast and easy solutions.